Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to complete the Kraken puzzle. First, gather all 9 puzzle pieces. Each piece is square and has 4 distinct edges. Some edges show a part of a Kraken tentacle, while others are plain ocean. Your main objective is to arrange these pieces into a 3x3 square, ensuring all tentacle segments connect perfectly to form a complete image of the Kraken. This guide will make it easy. Understanding the different types of pieces is crucial for success. Begin by separating your 9 pieces into 3 categories. You will find 4 corner pieces, each with 2 plain ocean edges. Next, identify 4 edge pieces, which have only 1 plain ocean edge. Finally, there is 1 unique centerpiece, featuring Kraken tentacles on all 4 of its sides. This initial sorting saves a lot of time. Now, let's assemble the puzzle. Start by placing the single centerpiece in the middle of your 3x3 grid. This piece acts as your anchor. Next, take your 4 corner pieces and place them in the 4 outer corners of the grid. Finally, use the remaining 4 edge pieces to fill in the gaps between the corners and the center. Remember to rotate each piece until all the Kraken tentacles connect seamlessly, forming a continuous image. Here are a few final tips to help you complete the Kraken puzzle with ease. Always double-check that the tentacle segments on adjacent pieces connect perfectly and form a continuous line. If a piece doesn't seem to fit, try rotating it by 90 degrees. Sometimes, swapping a piece with another similar one can also resolve a tricky spot. Remember, this puzzle is designed to be a fun challenge, so take your time and enjoy the process. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.